Balloon rocket race. Ladies and gentlemen, today we tackle the most pressing question in science. Can balloons race like rockets? Forget Mars missions, this is the balloon rocket race. Air pressure is invisible, but what if we could see it in action? To prove it, we'll unleash balloons on a high-speed racetrack. Step 1. Inflate the mighty rocket. Step 2. Attach to the launch rail. And now ignition. Newton's third law in action. Air rushes out, balloon rockets forward. But science demands a race. 3, 2, 1, launch. Air is like an invisible superhero, pushes one way, rocket goes the other. Now it's your turn, build your own balloon rocket race at home. Curious minds, where science is always a race worth running.